Hi, I'm Marek, CEO of ContextMinds, and I would like to show you how you can use ContextMinds to visually explore knowledge graphs. So let me start with a demo which uses data from DBpedia. DBpedia is basically Wikipedia transformed to a graph. So here I have a blank screen with ContextMinds web app loaded, and let's say I want to do research on climate change mitigation and electric cars. I add the first concept to the visualization, the starting point, which will be, as I said, climate change mitigation. Okay, this is classic text search in existing concepts. I select this one and add it to the visualization. And what happened here is ContextMinds found concepts linked to climate change in its knowledge graph, and I see them here. And luckily electric cars is just what I am interested in also, so I can just drag it there. Now what I am doing is basically expanding this node with respect to the graph from which it came, but instead of the classic expansion where all these related nodes would be displayed at once, I just select the one that I'm interested in, and then maybe I continue by adding another one. So as I said, electric vehicles is what I'm interested in. I put it there, and it gets interlinked, and this gets updated. The set of related concepts. What I see here now are concepts related to not only climate change mitigation, but also to carbon dioxide and electric vehicles. So here, basically, I see the joint neighborhood of all these nodes in the knowledge graph. And I could continue exploring it like this, and every time I put some concept there, this gets updated. No, so if I select some concept, it again gets updated, and now it shows concepts more related to electric vehicles than to these other concepts. So that's it. That's the main thing. I can visually explore the knowledge graph by following the path of related concepts. I can also add new data. So for example, if I wanted to speak about electric car production or construction, it doesn't matter. I can just add it as a new concept and linked it manually. Okay, this seems pretty obvious, but anyway, I wanted to emphasize, for example, this, that while the car itself maybe does not produce any carbon dioxide, its production may produce some. So I wanted to add this fact to my knowledge graph, and I did. So now if I or someone else create another visualization that's about electric cars, the concept of electric car production will be there, available for using in the visualization, and yeah, the links are there as well. So that's it. That's what you can use. So in this demo, we had data from DBpedia, but we are pretty confident that we can load any data that can be transformed to this graph structure, so nodes with labels and links with labels. And if you have such data, we can load it for you, and you can start using ContextMinds like I have shown. Let me know. Write me an email to this address, or fill your email here, and we will get in touch with you and prepare a demo how ContextMinds can help you specifically, how it can work with your data.